ओव्हरऑल सरकाराचे कामकाज कसं पळयता सर सध्याचे चालला तर
Nothing is moving. Only they are busy in counting the money.
सध्याचे तुमच्याच सरकाराचे तुम्ही आरोप करता
Or all ministers are busy in counting money.
तुमकां दिसता सीएम चेंज जावपा जाय सर?
Nothing is happening in Goa.
Sir, but why you said कि all ministers are busy in making money? तुमका दिसता all ministers?
Baba, I paid last week. I paid around 15 to 20 lakhs to one minister. I don't want to
For what, sir?
take him for a small work. He took my one file which I processed from the department. From his department, he took that file at his home and kept a message that if somebody comes to collect this, to inquire this file, tell that fellow to come and meet me. So accordingly, I sent my manager to meet the minister. Then he told to meet his PA. He met his PA and PA directly demanded 15 or 20 lakhs rupees. I know at least 15 to 20 lakhs has been paid last week. And it was not a big work. It's a routine work because I was also minister. I know what are the procedures followed in the department.
So कोण सर मिनिस्टर नाव सांगू शकता तुम्ही?
I don't want to take a name, but when I leave a party, I will take a name.
ओके.
म्हणजे सध्या प्रत्येक फायल जर मूव करतलो गव्हर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंटान जाल्यार खंय तरी कितें दिवचें पडटा.
I tell you very frankly, it's not also corruption, it's a loot. Loot is going on in Goa. It's an entire rampant loot is going.